leaving and we're actually on time today. That never happens.
We know that we've got enough room for our slide.
Looks pretty good right now. Come straight.
We're all plugged in. I feel like we should be able to see the curvature of the earth.
Wyoming right there.
I am through. I am in the clouds in Wyoming.
Lord, please make it stop. Welcome to colorful Colorado. Gosh, look at that, guys. Unbelievable.
It's so humongous.
Oh my gosh. Really didn't get any video of this campground. But it goes back there a little ways. It's not very big. But we are leaving. We're leaving and we're actually on time today. That never happens.
So what we did is, this is so that if we're in a tight spot, that we know that we've got enough room for our slide. So we've got an arrow on this side. So I know that this end goes up against the rig like this, pointing out. K for kitchen, that's our kitchen length slide. This is master slide. L for living room, and B for bunkhouse. So bunkhouse obviously sticks out the most, but we're gonna put a black mark on it today so that I can put this end down, and so we'll know exactly what the toe height is, so that every single time I can go ahead and get everything completely exactly at the right height to be able to hitch. And then we're just in and out, so we're not going down a little bit more, up a little bit more. We can just put it right at the height, and it should be, as long as we're on a level, for the most part, a level place, we should be able to move right in, and we can just get hitched up that much faster.
Okay.
The other thing I'm doing is, this was always being stowed back here, and it was just every single time, the first thing we do is we check the electric, and I would have to put the bikes down, open that up to pull this out. So I think I've made enough room now in this other bay where the sewer stuff is, that I can just stow it in there, and so we have quick access to it. Not perfect, but it'll work. I have to pull it out if I have to get the sewer stuff out.
Yeah. Looks pretty good right now. Come straight. You're like right on. Okay, that looks good.
So I always like to make sure that these aren't tangled either, because I don't want to have an incident where somehow, some way, this ends up pulling that out either. So we're all plugged in. We're going to double check this. Even though when we're pulling in, you can hear it.
Yeah.
You can hear it click, then it clicks again. But this right here shows me that it's in when it's got past that little part there. So.
Right. Okay, we just did the pool test. So now I'm taking out the back chucks and putting them away on my side.
So the other thing that we figured out, because we were constantly having issues, and I don't know if we've mentioned this before, but we were constantly having issues with the auto level not working. And what we found is, once we are hitched, and once I pull all the jacks up, then I hit all retract, and even though they look like they're up, there's still like a little bit of, I guess, pressure being pulled back in and everything. And so when we hit all retract, you can hear it working, even though you don't see anything moving. And every time that we've done that, once we got to the new spot, the auto level has worked.
Yep.
Except for it's never exactly level.
Right.
But at least it levels it close enough.
Close, yeah.
Right.
Okay, check the lights. Ooh, I am hungry. Yep. Yep. Usually we call each other, but there was a little...
This isn't exactly the easiest turn either.
See so far up here. I guess that's going to be Edgemont.
I feel like we should be able to see the curvature of the earth. We should be crossing into Wyoming here in a second. Now it's the state border.
Yeah, that's fine. It is Wyoming right there. Welcome to Wyoming.
That was a weak sign.
Yeah.
I am Gru. I am in the clouds in Wyoming, and we are going to steal the sky.
I was stealing the moon.
It looks like his hand is going like this too. Looks like his hand is on the side going like this.
Oh, that's funny.
Next, we are going to steal. Pause for effect.
Mountain Presley I was talking about is literally right in front of us now.
Turn left on I-25 South.
Sharp turn. Looks like it at least. Alright, 31 miles and we're there. As soon as we go over this hill, we'll see it.
Rancho
There it is.
Road.
There it is. You're gonna be a 31 miles. Rancho Village. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Got flag. Flag's going. There's us. Golly.
Those are giant pieces of hail.
Stop it. Good grief. Lord, please make it stop. It's sunny now. At least it is over there. Golly. Just found this piece, but I don't know where that came from. No clue. Could have come from anywhere, I guess. Everything looks good? Okay.
Hopefully we have a much better looking sign than Wyoming.
Come on, Colorado, where's your sign?
I think that's it right there.
Where? Oh, is that it? Yep. Here we go.
What
Welcome to colorful Colorado. They said it was colorful.
Welcome to colorful Colorado, and the sign was brown and white. Like, if you're gonna say welcome to colorful something, like, make the sign colorful. Like,
Right, bud?
That made no sense.
Those are really big mountains. We're gonna be in them. Wow.
Okay, so a quick little update mid-trip. And we already planned on stopping at a Walmart to stock up on a lot of water and other grocery items that we just haven't been able to get in any of the grocery stores in these small state parks and area that we were just coming from. So we pulled into this Walmart and parked the truck, and we just simply walked. Right behind me is Chick-fil-A back there. So we normally don't eat fast food. We usually just take sandwiches with us, so we'll just stop and make sandwiches very quickly. But instead, we just decided to treat ourselves to some Chick-fil-A today. But after we finished eating, what we did is we actually unhooked Ava, quickly just ran over to the Walmart gas because we got 10 cents off per gallon, plus one of our credit cards has given us 5% cash back. The gas station was not really convenient for bringing our rig into it, so that's why we decided to unhook. It just too many tight turns. So we did that and we filled up the tank, and then when we got back here to the rig, as I was trying to get everything hooked back up, Ashley is jumping into Walmart to grab all the items that we need, and I just finished doing the hookup and we are ready to roll. But that's just a quick update. That is something that we did. We feel like that was the fastest way with the 10 cents off and the 5% cash back. It's quite the deal compared to all the rest of the pricing that we've seen around. So that's the reason why we did it, but we're letting them play with their iPads for a few minutes while Ashley is in getting some groceries, and then we will be back on the road. Oh my gosh. What we're about to drive through the middle of.
Look at this. Wow.
That's really big mountain.
Look at this, guys.
Look at the water to the right. Do you see that, Presley? You can see it up there when you look up front.
Whoa, zigzag.
See it?
Whoa. Look how pretty this is, guys. Roosevelt National Forest. I did not know this was
guys, after we pass these buildings right here, look at these mountains. You can really see the snow. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at the snow up there.
Wow. It's Highway 7.
Turn right on Peakview Drive.
Gosh, look at that, guys.
Look at that.
Unbelievable.
Look at that to the left. It's so humongous.
Oh my gosh. That's
It's so
unbelievable.
huge. We would never be able to hike that. I don't even
It's
see.
unreal. Can you
even
see that, buddy?
Roads to get to them. It just looks like there's just
So
houses
pretty.
in the grass.
Yeah. It's like, how do you get there?
I'm sure there is. It's just